of Asia Cup?
Yeah, it was a very tough match against India, and we not put enough runs on the board. But we were happy to we get him till the last over. But unfortunately, Naseem Shah got injured. He will get cramps, and if he will not injured, might be result will different. But we must appreciate Indian batters, especially Jadeja, Virat, and all-rounder performance of Pandya.
Lovely. Shahnawaz, obviously, as you mentioned, quite a few bowlers got cramps. How's the body now after that game?
Yeah, you see, that was the first match, and Naseem Shah got debut against India, and my first match against India. It's not easy for as a youngster. You play such kind of superstar players, and thanks. Now all good, and we're looking forward this match. And we will put our all efforts to win this match.
Perfect. I mean, you're talking about this match. Obviously, it's a must-win game, even though it's Hong Kong and they've qualified. So what are the thoughts and what has been told in the dressing room before this match?
We always get serious every opposition, whatever that India or Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a good team, and we will give our 100% to beat them in this match and qualify for the Super 4.
All the very best. Go well.
Thank you.